If you want to download or print the trip's history, you can do that from the Report button at the top of the page. When you click the Report button, you'll be offered a standard or advanced report in Microsoft Excel. Clicking the 3 stacked buttons on the right will also allow you access to download the information in a PDF version. There may be other reports that populate to this list. Any reports that have been created in your system that access this specific data, if they've been set to populate to the list, will be accessible to you here. When you open a report in Microsoft Excel, you have full access to all of the features and functionality that Excel offers. The advanced reports will already have a pivot table built into them on a summary page. There's also the report page, and if you want to get to the raw data, you can unhide the tab for that. Please don't change anything in the raw data, as that will essentially break the report, but it is there and available for you to view if you need to dig down to something that's not displayed on the report page. Custom reports can be created from these standard Excel reports, but that's something that we'll cover in a future webinar. Reports work this way throughout the whole system on each of the menu icons, such as exceptions, engine data. Whatever data you're looking at, the report button at the top of the page you're on will give you access to the reports that are based on the data that you're looking at.